Oh, look at that. What? Here's a light.
Yeah.
Who is that?
It's Henry has a light.
Henry?
Henry?
Oh no. Oh.
Have a light.
Where is he going? Where is Fat Controller? Where's the...
Controller.
Oh, the Fat Controller. Okay, put him there. Let's see. Fat Controller? Oh, you want to carry the Fat Controller?
Yeah.
Hey! That's a very nice train. What's wrong? Oh, there's a light. Huh? The secret. Who's light? Who's number one? Okay. Oh, is he going to be able? Oh, he's going up the hill. Oh no. Oh, he's stuck. He's stuck. Go and get him out. Go get out. Go get him out. Ethan, your train is stuck. Oh, he turned around. How did he do that? He went roundabout. Okay.